What is up, guys? Chet the Chef here at Krusty Burger here at Fastfood Boulevard in Universal Studios. So today I'm going to try to do something. I've never seen this meal before. I've never seen anybody review it or anything like that. So we got a Duff Light as usual, but we got the chicken and waffle sandwich. So we're going to go ahead and try that today. It comes with a side of tots. I'm going to eat that, and then I will let you know what I thought about it. Alright guys, so here's the review on that. Tater tots were good. The beer is always delicious. So the sandwich itself, I've never had a chicken and waffle sandwich before, so that was new. But honestly, it was really good. I really enjoyed it. I'm not a big fan of mayo. So really, the composition of it. So it was 2 waffles with chicken breast and that was fried, and then lettuce, tomato, and then a sauce that was maple syrup sauce. So it was really good. I'm not a big fan of mayo personally. But actually that sauce was really good, so I don't know if it's just my palate's changing as I'm getting older, or what it is with that, but I actually really enjoyed it. So I like to judge things off that I eat off of the would I eat it against scale, and yeah, I'd eat that again. It was maybe not an everyday type thing, but yeah, maybe once a month if I come here. When I come here, I would try it. Yeah, it was really good. So good job, Universal. So more about that sandwich. Now, I like to add like little things, things could improve for your experience. But just knowing that if I were to get it again, I would ask for a side of the ranch maple syrup combo, which is weird for me because I don't like. I said ranch. I meant mayo, a mayo maple syrup. Now I would ask for more of the mayo maple syrup just to dip it in, because it's a waffle. You're supposed to have it with lots of syrup. At least that's how I feel eating waffles. I don't know, my opinion. You do you. Hey, what's up, guys? Back at the house after that meal. I know I kind of gave a little spiel about talking about it and everything, but I just wanted to come up with an ending for it. I didn't have really a ending that I shot there at the parks. So I just want to say I thank you all for coming. Either whoever's watching now, whoever comes back and watches later, whether days, months, years from now, if this thing gets off the ground and gets running. So I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me, supporting the channel, supporting my family. But I am out for the day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.